Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to create a professional YouTube channel banner using OpenArt AI. First of all, you need to come here on the official website of openart.ai. Over here, you need to create your free account. Now, for YouTube banner, you need to make sure that the image resolution is 16:9, or for pixels, I will put the exact pixels in the description box below. You need to keep the important texts and the logos inside this particular area so that they could show properly on all of the devices. Now over here, hover over to the image section and click on the option of create image. Once you are here on this section, you will see the custom settings and the section for the prompt. So over here, you need to type the prompt whichever is relating to your channel. Let's say I've typed minimal gradient background, modern clean style, soft lighting, and no text. So here 10 credits will be charged and you are going to get 40 credits absolutely for free. So once you click on the option of create, it is gonna be taking some time and show you the results that will look something like this. Now over here, you can also use some of the negative prompts like no text, no watermark, no logo to keep it clean. So once you have your response ready, you need to click on the option of download as, and you need to download it in the form of PNG. Now you can use Canva in order to add text on top of it, or you can also use OpenArt AI feature in order to add the text. So you can type something like add any particular text on top of your background. Then you need to again click on the option of create in the bottom. So once you have your template ready, you need to download it from here, and now you can use it on your YouTube channel. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.